Earn $100 for free affiliate marketing for beginners. So this is the Clickbank free topic source that I'm going to share with you today. So actually it is not one source, it is there are two sources that I'm going to share with you in today's video. So keep listening and watching to the very end of this video so that you can earn $100 a day very easily for free actually with this affiliate marketing system. So what's up guys, my name is Na and you are watching Gain Money Trick channel. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So let's jump into the main video and the main website, that how we can do this strategy and how we can follow step by step. So the first step is that go to the Clickbank account, whether you are using JVZO or Varial Plus, Health Market, and any other Amazon, any other affiliate marketing system. So you can do it, really doesn't matter. So I'm just showing you the strategy and you can simply apply to your business and your procedure or your website that you are going to promote that, or links actually, or offers or products actually that you are promoting that. So the first, we are coming here and just using as a virtual assistant here in the search bar. Once you write in the search bar virtual assistant, so it really need it really just kind of work quickly and easily, because most of the people nowadays in the world are searching for jobs actually, but most of the time they are not finding jobs actually. So once you come and just search virtual assistant, you will see the offer virtual assistant work from home jobs, which is the virtual assistant data entry input works and jobs. And they will give you $25, almost $25 and half. So they will get you and give you actually. So we are not just talking about that $200. So you can reach to the minimum of three. If you just make four sales, so it is equal to $100 very easily, and it really converts. You can make more than $100 very easily if you just follow the procedure to the very end and use the same tricks that I'm going to share with you. So first we can use their main page which were assistant. So if you see, this is the main page of them, that clickearners.com is the main page that they are offering services, for example, like this: data entry or input, typing and writing, sales and marketing, customer services, online research, surveys, and virtual assistant, envelope filling, mystery shopping, admin and secretarial, social media management, product testing. So these are all the available jobs that most people on the internet platform, they are searching every day and require these types of jobs every day. So I'm going to share with you the strategy step by step, that how you can promote, you can earn money, and you can also help other people to find their desired job, that they can easily make that. So that is that much simple and easy. What you need to do is, this is the main page of them, so people can come here and just click on register now and they can sign up. Once they sign up, you will get the commission and they will get the jobs online. So what we need to do here, we can go to their affiliate page also to check what is there. So once you click here to their affiliate page, you will see in their affiliate page different things. Affiliate tools are there. The first thing is that they are paying you 75% commission, which is coming $25 actually. And their promotion suggestions they are giving, for example, email marketing, sponsored search, Facebook groups and Facebook ads, other social media, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. On your website, if you have, or blog or forum if you have, you can also post there. But we will use social media platform, so it is very easy. And these are the keywords that if you use the keyword, or you want to use the keywords, so simply you can use these types of keywords for promoting. And these are the email swaps that you will get. So what we need to do is, here is the simple and easy way. The first step is that you can go to a website by the name of, this is the main website, okay. So Jura is an international website and they have almost, if we just search on the similar web, they have more than 7 million visitors per month to this site, and it is pretty cool way. So 7 million plus uh, visitor or traffic is much, and they are getting to this website very easily and every month consistently. So the main strategy is here that you come here, you will choose to any country you want, but I prefer to use United States because most people search online and on the United States and they can buy very easily because the amount why we choose this offer, because the reason is that we are choosing this uh, offer. They are just spending, I mean, the people just spend less money on this, something like 28 or $30 they are spending on this, and they are getting their desired jobs actually. So that's why it really converts very easily and people can buy that or purchase that very easily. So we are just targeting United States. If you are using United Kingdom, you can do that as well. So click on the United States, then you will see the page like, for example, so this will be the main page. Okay, so this is the main page. Once you click on the United States, you will see the page something like this one. And this is the page that you can search what job you need, where you need, so something like that. But you don't need to do that. You can simply click on employer, login, or post job. Once you click here, you will see another page of, for example, you will require something that you can do that. For example, for sign up or logging. So which is this, if you have already account, you can log in. If you don't have, you can click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, there will be a forum that you need to fill up that forum actually. So what we is the you can give the title, company, job types, or something like that. The first thing is the title, so we can use um, virtual, okay, assistant jobs, virtual assistant jobs. Actually, you can use the company. You can just use the same companies. You can use to this one. So this is click earners, as you can use the same one. Uh, click earners, okay. So earners, click earner is the company, and job title is that full-time job, part-time job, casual, temporary, permanent. So you can use full-time or part-time. So the best is that you can use full-time, uh, and you can use the description. So how you can find the description? The description is really easy, and you can just scroll. You can go to the email swap, and you can use one of these emails. I can choose this email, okay. So as a description, I can use, okay, I can just copy and paste that here. And then I can scroll down to the bottom a little bit. And there is, the focus is here that you can think about that. There aren't many positions remaining and we expect them to be filled quickly. So it is, so if it is of interest, proceed here, okay. Uh, you can proceed here, you can just remove this, and you can use your promotion link here or affiliate link here, which is, you can go to here and then you can click on the promote. Once you click on the promote, you can use your Clickbank username and your tracking ID actually. So that is that much simple and easy. So once you come and you complete here, then you can go back here and first put the link here. Then you can scroll down a little bit to the bottom, and then you can use the country United States in city. For example, uh, you can use New York. Okay, you can use New York or something like that. So that is simple. And then you can go click on the next. Once you click on the next, post will be ready, and that is fine, and that will be posted. So this is the first strategy that you need to do that. Okay, the second strategy is that it's very simple and very easy, and it also really can work. So that is the pretty simple and easy way. You can go to Twitter platform. So uh, Twitter is an online platform for everyone online that they are using actually the Twitter uh, platform. So this is also the best converting and the best way to just use. What you need to do here, you can write in the search bar, for example, just write quotation mark, okay, and then you can see use, for example, I want uh, job, okay, and then close the quotation mark and then enter, and you will see multiple results that people need these types of jobs or they require jobs. So you can then you can come to here, for example, the description that we have just copy that this, okay, including your link you can send to them uh, as a reply, okay. So you can do this one, and the second after that, when you just to send to 3 4 5 people, then you can change the keywords. For example, I want, I then you can say I need, okay, uh, I need a job, okay. Then after that you can send to 4 5 6 people. Then again you can change, for example, I required, okay, for example, I require a job, okay. You can then after that, instead of jobs you can use, for example, I want a career or something like that. So the main purpose and the main strategy is that you can change, okay, the keywords and the sentences that you are writing, because many people on this social platform are writing by different types of keywords and sentences they write. For example, I want, I need, I require, and uh, uh, what if I have a great job or something like that. So there are multiple ways to search on the platform, but if you use multiple keywords and multiple sentences over there, and then you can find multiple results, and then you can send to each one these. So I don't want to just use and proceed all. It's really work. So I don't want to make the video longer. So what I need to do is that tell you two things. Number one, the first thing is that use multiple keyword, and the second is that use, for example, uh, one you use the different keyword, and the second when you are posting the description or the things, for example this one, uh, you are sending this, so you have to a little bit edit after each 3 4 5 people that you are sending. You can just bring some changes, for example, willing to work from home, full or part-time job. So it is if you wish, you can use if you wish to work from home. So it means the sentence a little bit change, and have reliable internet access you can use. So then you can say that only need internet connection, okay, honest and trustworthy, okay. You can use, for example, if you are really a honest guy, or you should work with your full honesty actually. So the main purpose is that change a little bit the sentences in these things, that the social platform or the Twitter cannot get, that it is spamming. So if you use the same description or the same letters to each and every one, so then the Twitter will catch you very soon, and they will just restrict your account and they can ban from Twitter. It is not only with Twitter, it depends. It is with all social platforms, whether you are using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anything if you are using. So you have to be careful to not send more than 3 or 4 times the same description. You have to just check and edit a little bit the title and description and something like that, and you can send. And it really works, and it is the positive way. So that is the whole video and the whole procedure that I was about to share with you today, and that is a really trustworthy uh, method and it's absolutely free topic source, a Clickbank free topic source that you can use and implement every day. So if you use every day and use with multiple keywords, of course, you will have 4, 5, 6 sales a day very comfortably just from your home with your internet connection. As I told you, the reason is that it really can work because you are helping yourself making some budget, and you're also helping others people that they are getting also jobs and others. So if you just come to the main page of this platform, what they said here, they said discover how become an online assistant and get paid to do freelance work tasks and projects from home on behalf of companies. So on behalf of company, it means that the, they have related to more companies and they are joined with more companies so that they can the companies are giving the work to them and they are just sending to other people. So all over the world they have different companies and different uh, people that they are working with that. So the procedure is very simple. They simply register with and the second and activate their account and log into their member area, then follow simple instruction and start working and earning. So that is that cool offer that it really can work and it is the best way to use and because it is really can working. So that's all. So thank you for watching. Please give us thumb up for this video and comment me below any if you want to have virtual assistant 10 job data entry or something like that. So that will be cool for you to use this strategy. So, and if you're new to our community, please consider subscribing, hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So thank you for watching the video. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.